Tired of feeling like your money is constantly slipping through your fingers? You're not alone. Budgeting can feel like a constant uphill battle, but what if there was a tool to help you take control? That's where Pocketguard comes in. But before you dive in, the burning question is, how much does this magical money-saving app actually cost? Let's be real, nobody wants to break the bank just to manage their finances. So, in this video, we're going to break down Pocketguard's pricing, explore its key features, and ultimately help you decide if it's the right fit for your financial journey. Pocketguard is a popular budgeting app that aims to simplify your financial life. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to give you a real-time view of your income and expenses. But does this convenience come with a hefty price tag? Let's find out. The good news? Pocketguard offers a free version. Yes, you read that right. You can access many core features without paying a dime. This includes automated budget creation. Pocketguard analyzes your spending habits and automatically creates a budget based on your income. Spending tracking. Track your expenses across various categories like groceries, dining, and entertainment. Real-time account updates. Stay informed about your current balance and transaction history. Bill reminders. Receive timely notifications for upcoming bills to avoid late fees. In-app savings goals. Set savings goals and track your progress towards achieving them. Pretty impressive, right? But what if you want to unlock even more powerful features? That's where Pocketguard Premium comes into play. For a small monthly or annual subscription fee, you gain access to unlimited budget categories. Customize your budget with as many categories as you need to get a truly personalized financial picture. Investment tracking. Track your investment portfolio performance in one place. Spending insights. Dive deeper into your spending habits with detailed reports and visualizations. In-app support. Get priority support from the Pocketguard team. Ad-free experience. Enjoy an uninterrupted budgeting experience without any distracting ads. Now, let's talk about the actual cost. Pocketguard Premium offers flexible subscription options. Monthly subscription, typically around $4.99 per month. Annual subscription, often discounted, usually around $49.99 per year. Remember, these prices are subject to change, so it's always a good idea to check the Pocketguard website or app for the most up-to-date information. But is Pocketguard Premium worth the extra cost? Ultimately, that depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you're looking for a basic budgeting tool, the free version might be all you need. However, if you want advanced features like unlimited categories, investment tracking, and personalized insights, the premium subscription could be a worthwhile investment. The best way to decide is to try it out for yourself. Pocketguard offers a free trial period for premium, so you can experience the full range of features before committing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.